Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing out in Murfreesboro, Tennessee today. We're taking care of this driveway. We've already taken care of the house, the gutters, the oxidation on the gutters and all that. So it came out really well. But right now we're on the driveway. They just bought this in like October last year. It had never been cleaned. I can tell because of the way it's dirtying up. There's no striping where it had been cleaned and improperly or anything like that. So it's very even across, which is good. What you're going to see me do is start with a pre-treat that's going to start killing the mold and mildew and give me some kind of a surfactant to help move the dirt. And then I'm going to actually run a surface scrubber on it, rinse it, and then post-treat. Is post-treating necessary? You know, there's a lot of debate on that. Sometimes people say, no, it looks fantastic, which quite honestly, it does look fantastic. But what cannot be told every time is if there's micro dirt that you can't see. And so that's the reason why a lot of times people will call and go, you know, I had it done a couple of years ago, it looked fantastic, and now it looks striped. Well, they didn't post-treat. They didn't let the stuff sit on there, have the dwell time of a very strong mix, let it soak down into the crevices so that it can actually clean below the surface. Then that way, and when it dirties up it very evenly, and it doesn't have that striping. That's how I can always tell whether they pre or post-treat if it's not done by us. So the post-treating can take care of stuff that we can't get to, that won't come up, that I can't see, and just make it look good. This has all been post-treated behind me, and I'm working on finishing up. I finished that. All I gotta do is rinse it and do the expansion cracks, and then boom, we're going that way. Then we're gonna do the curb, and then we'll be done. Watch this.